Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to off the advertisement on Facebook. Actually, what is Facebook? Facebook is a website which allows users who sign up for free profiles to connect with friends or colleagues or people they don't know online. It allows users to share pictures, music, videos and articles as well as their own thoughts and opinions with however many people they like. Users send friend requests to people who they may or may not know. And actually, Facebook has over 1 billion users. Once accepted that two profiles are connected with both users able to see whatever the other person posts. And Facebookers can post almost anything to their timeline, a snapshot of what is happening in their social circle at any given time, and can also enter private chat with other friends who are online. And people with profiles list information about themselves, whether it be what they work at, where they are studying ages or other personal details. Many users post lots of information which is easily accessible to their friends and others. On top of this, users can like other pages which interest them. For example, a Liverpool FC supporter can follow the club by linking up with its Facebook page. There the user can post comments and receive club updates, pictures, etc. So now I'm going to show you how to off the advertisements on Facebook. At first you need to enter into your Facebook account, then you need to enter the three button which is on the right side on top of the bottom, and then you have to click on the settings and privacy. Here we can see settings. Here you need to click on settings option, then you will find some options. Here we can see personal and account information, password and security payments. Here we can see preferences, newsfeed, direction, preferences, notifications, message, reviews, and the shortcuts, language, region, media, your time on Facebook, dark mode, audience and visibility, profile locking, profile information, how people find and contact you, post stories, followers and public content, profile and tagging, blocking, active status, permissions. Here we can see some options on the permissions. Here we can see add preferences, location, face recognition, apps and website, games and etc. So here you need to click on the add preferences option. Then you will find here three options: advertisers, add topics and add settings. You need to click on the here we can see many advertisers whose ads you have clicked. Okay, you can find here that whose ads you have clicked before. So here we can see ad settings. You need to click on the ad settings options. Here we can see what information is used to show me ads. So just you need to click on these options: data about your activity, from partners, categories, many things. Here we can see here we can add shown of Facebook. This is the option. Yes, now we got this option, how advertisers can reach you through our Facebook ads. So here you need to just, here we can see the allowed option is on. You need to just off the options. You need to, this setting only controls how certain data is used. Was this? Yes. Okay. Here we can see advertisers using their activity of information. Here we can see social interactions. You need to just here click on the only me options. By clicking on this all options, you will find your solution. After clicking on these options, then here we have to off this allowed. Okay, now so this is the all we have done with this chapter by off, and actually by click on this not allowed option, you will find three options. After after clicking the off button, you will never see any advertisement on Facebook. So this is the chapter. Please stay with us with your first take all the time. Thank you, and please subscribe to our channel.